Okay, welcome. Today we are going to be going over methods in Java. So what is a method? So before, when we created a new project, we have been given this code here was given to us, and we don't really know what this means. So we don't need to know what this class is, but we're going to be focusing on here. So this is an actual method. So this is the main method, and when you execute a Java file, it will look for the main method and it will execute the code in here. However, we can create our own methods, and so we've been writing code in here inside of these two brackets, but now we're going to be doing a one before, so it's inside the main class but outside of this method. So let's say we want to make a new method, so we'll just do public for now. You can do other stuff, like you can do private and a few more, but for now we're only going to be going to public. So let's do public. You don't need to know what static means at the moment. And now let's do int. And then let's say let's do addition. So this is just the name of the method. Let's pass in int a. I'll tell you what this means in a minute. Int b. And you can see we're getting an error, but that doesn't really matter. So what this is, so you don't need to know what public static is at the moment, but so what int means is this is the return type. This is what this method is going to return. So when this method is finished executing, it's going to return some kind of value, and that value that we are going to return is an int. There are other ones, so we can also return a string. We can float as well. We can return an array. So let's say we want to return an int array like this. Let's say we don't want to return anything, so you can see here we have void. So if we don't want to return anything, we'll do void. This will not return anything. So we'll just leave it for this for now, and then we'll mess around with returning different types in a second. So addition is just the name of our method. You can see here is our main method, and then here we're going to have the addition method. And here we are passing in two parameters. This is the data that we need for this method to work. And you can see we're passing in two ints. And then obviously a and b, they can be anything. So let's say we want to pass in a and b. So these can be any numbers. So let's say we want to add both of these numbers. So what we'll do is let's say we'll make an int x, and we will equal that to a plus b. What we are doing here is we are adding whatever number is passed in as a and whatever number is passed in as b, and we're just adding it, and we're gonna set it as x, and then we can just print out the value x. Because we don't need to return anything, we can just print it out. So if we wanted to return it, we can do an int, and then we can just return x, and I'll just return the but I'll get into that in a second. But for now, all we're doing is we're adding the two parameters that we put in, and we are printing it. So now so if we run this, you can see nothing happens. So we actually have to call it. So we call it in the main. We can call it in other methods, but we're going to call it in the main for now. So the way we're going to call this is we are going to do addition in brackets, and then we're going to give it two numbers. So let's do 5 and 10. Here we are calling the method. So this is the name of the method, and now you can see we are passing in two numbers. So we're passing 5 as a and 10